In this question, we're given two graphs, figure 1 and figure 2, and there are 4 questions. Given these two figures, the first question is, which graph has a steeper line? The way I think about this, if you were walking on either the line on figure 1 or the line on figure 2, which one would be a steeper hill? Hopefully you recognize that figure 2 has a steeper line. Well, figure 2 has a steeper line. The second question, which graph has a flatter line, would obviously be figure 1. The third question is, which line is increasing? In mathematics, when we read graphs, we orient ourselves in a left to right direction. So when we talk about increasing, we talk about essentially the elevation on the line increasing as we move left to right. Another way to describe this increasing means you're walking uphill. As you walk left to right, which line would you be walking uphill on? Well, if you imagine a person walking here on figure 1 as they move left to right, they would be walking uphill. So the increasing line is figure 1. In the same way, if you imagine somebody walking on figure 2, as they walk in a left to right direction, you'll notice they walk downhill. Decreasing is essentially another way to think about, again, from the left to right direction, you're walking downhill. So question D, which line is decreasing, is figure 2. When working with linear equations in two variables, we have a concept that captures both how steep a line is and whether it's an uphill or a downhill line, and we call this concept the slope of the line. The slope of the line is a number that represents both uphill or downhill and how steep. In the next several examples, we will look at how to talk about the slope, how to measure the slope, and how to interpret the slope.